been doing the social media game for some time now. You're an established entrepreneur, but you feel probably like you're on the wheel of how much more time can I actually invest in my social media marketing? So that's where the question of should I do this paid or organically comes in. So that's what we're going to talk about today on our Ignite Your Market session. Welcome. My name is Gina Tassinelli, and I am the owner and founder of Hype Media, a boutique social media marketing agency, as well as Stylishly Branding and Style Rebel Mama. And I work with established experts, entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants to help you ignite and disrupt your social media so that you can connect authentically with your ideal clients and move them into a place of saying yes to your offers. And so, this is a question that I get asked all the time. Gina, first of all, what is organic marketing and what is paid marketing? So we're going to start with that. Okay. Now, if you are watching this on the replay, please don't hesitate to drop any questions below. Ask me anything. I always come back and I respond to everybody. And if you feel like maybe your assistant, VA, or maybe somebody on your team that handles your marketing. Maybe it's a social media manager that you have contracted should listen to this. Please feel free to tag them below. That way they can get dibs on these tips too. Okay, so I'm going to pull up my notes right here really quick because I don't want to lose track of what I'm saying, which is very typical for me. All right, so first let's talk about what is organic marketing and what is paid marketing. All right, so organic, and I'm going to actually use a really fun analogy that I love to use because I feel like it just helps to really understand it much easier. Organic marketing is you just putting content out there, and anybody that comes across it, anybody, nobody that you have purposely selected with intent. So it can be anybody that's just scrolling through the news feed and just happens to land on it, or maybe it's been shared to them, or they typed in a keyword in the search bar and it pops up. That is organic marketing. Okay. It's free to do. Now, it takes investment in time. Okay. Paid marketing is where you intentionally are telling the platform or platforms specifically what types of people you want that piece of content to get in front of. It's very powerful. And I will tell you, if you are a solopreneur, or maybe you're an entrepreneur, but you have a small team and you still feel like you're spending a lot of time on social media, it's because you are not taking advantage of paid traffic strategies. So, with paid traffic, instead of you just throwing content on the wall and hoping it sticks, it can get in front of the exact people that are aligned with what it is that you have to offer. And it could be a paid offer, it could be something for free, it could even just be a video, a tutorial, but you're being very intentional as to who is going to see that. So, I honestly believe in using a combination of both. If you're in business and you're using social media marketing for your business, you have to use it as a true business because you can really spend a lot of time working in your business rather than on your business if you're constantly on social media. And so you alleviate some of that time that is honestly costing you money because you could be spending more time serving your clients at a higher level than spending your time creating content and posting and doing all those sorts of things, right? Which are needed on social media. But what you can do is balance it, take some of that organic off of your plate and go into a paid traffic strategy. Okay. So let's talk about really quick. What are the key differences between both, in addition to what I've already said? So, organic marketing is typically more evergreen. Although, if you are doing paid traffic on social media, there is a strategy that we use on our own businesses with our own clients and our agency because we are also a paid traffic agency as well. So there are strategies that you can use to move that organic marketing into a what we call a social media funnel that actually is then being retargeted to the right people that you want to intentionally have consume that piece of content and take some action. So organic marketing can be more evergreen. It doesn't really have a deadline. It's not something that's going to expire right away. If you're going to be working with organic marketing and paid marketing, whereas paid marketing, it can be something that's more like, you need to sign up today. Like this is happening in 2 weeks. Next week is my masterclass, things like that. There are long term paid traffic strategies, like I just mentioned a minute ago, that will take that organic marketing and just in a sense boost it, although you never want to hit that boost button on this platform, okay? But what I mean by boosting it means igniting it, giving it more power, adding more gas to it so that it reaches more people and more of the right people. So number 2 is that organic marketing is going to be, in a sense, less expensive when we're talking about actual physical dollars, right? Now, I'm honestly in the belief that you either pay for your time or you pay with money. And for me, time is money. So if I want a maybe it could even be just an inspirational post that I know could really gravitate towards a lot of the right people, and I want people to take action on that post, I'm going to actually put some dollars behind it and run an engagement ad on Facebook and Instagram so that more people see that. It's my way of building more brand awareness. So you do, you're going to pay either way, honestly. You just organically, you may not actually be seeing those dollars being put in exchange to putting a piece of content out there, but you're still paying for your time. And like I said, to me, money, time is money. Number 3 is that organic marketing, although it takes time to build an audience from, paid marketing does not. You can get instantaneous results when you're putting money, when you're backing your organic marketing with paid strategies, with paid marketing. Okay. And then number 4 is that organic marketing is going to be more content driven. And that's why I honestly love using a similar of organic marketing funnel, but within my paid traffic strategies. So that although it's paid, it feels very natural, it feels organic to my audience, to the viewer. So, for example, you can take a piece of organic marketing like what I'm doing right now, this Facebook Live, where I'm sharing some tips. This is a free piece of organic marketing, right? I can then run an ad to this to get people to watch 15 seconds or longer of this video and then retarget them with maybe it's my upcoming masterclass that's happening, by the way, next Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. So you can use organic marketing to drive your content to your audience, but then add some dollars behind that organic marketing to then get more of an audience and get it in front of the right people. Okay, so which one do you think is better? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. And I'd love to know if you've ever tried any paid marketing strategies. If you have, you may be like many that this isn't your thing to do, right? So maybe you hit that boost button and you found, oh my gosh, Gina, it didn't work. I wasted my money. Yes, you absolutely did. But on the other side to that, when you work with an expert like myself or an agency, or you have somebody teach it to you like I do with my own students. I call them students, but they're amazing experts and entrepreneurs that are learning the same strategies that we use as an agency and learning that how to do that for themselves. When you work with somebody that is experienced, has the expertise, that is where you can really level up your content marketing strategies, whether organic or paid, honestly, because they can both work well together so much. See you guys next week. Bye.